Yes. And
Bakit?
sino nga ba tong si Jamich na to?
Bago natin pag-usapan yung tweet nila.
The social media-wide hate fest received by Jamich. Sino baga ang Jamich na ito? Ito yung real-life couple na sila Jamville Sebastian at Pauline Michelle Ligayo. And they are popularly referred to as Jamich. Ayan. At apparently, nakita natin na binulabog tayo ng sila pala, hindi pala tayo kasali.
Nakikisali ka.
Okay, hindi pala ako involved, pero binulabog sila ng napakaraming hate tweets. Bakit? Kasi naman, nung July 10, 2012, namatay si
Pidol.
Comedy, Dolphy. At nung July 10, 2010 din ay Mansari nila.
Oh, sabay.
Oo, Mansari nila.
It's their 50th month anniversary.
Well, did you celebrate with them?
I was invited.
Alam na alam mo, 50th.
It was their 50th month.
Wow.
Yes.
At nung kanilang 50th month ay nag-tweet itong si I Love Jamich. Ang sabi niya, kasabay ng Mansari namin ay pumanaw na ang hari ng komedya. Sad face. R.I.P. Dolphy. #legendary. #King of comedy. Hundreds of people violently reacted about this.
Bakit naman?
After they have tweeted this.
Ano namang masama doon?
Eto. At nag-react sila, ha?
Anong reaction nila?
Ito ang reaction nila. Sa Facebook page nila.
Gusto ko marinig.
Aba, meron pang Facebook page mo.
Ito nga, gusto ko marinig.
Eto na. Gusto mo na talaga. Okay. Sabi niya, hello, dami kasi nag-react dito sa tweet namin. Kasi habang nagtutweet kami about our monstery, makikita nyo naman sa mga previous tweets, biglang nakita ko sa trending list ng R.I.P. Dolphy. I was so shocked.
Wait, yan ang explanation ni
Jamich.
Oo, kung bakit din na-tweet yun.
Yes. At ang sa amin lang ay mansari namin ang saya namin kanina together. Tapos biglang bad news na pagkamatay ni Dolphy. Sorry sa mga taong na misinterpret. We respect Dolphy and his family. Our sympathy goes out to them. Wala kaming intention na mambastos or what. We clearly understand na kapag pinost ng isang tao, minsan papalakihin. But if we really think about our tweet, open heart and mind, there's nothing wrong with that. At sa mga tao na nagsasabi ng masama against us, may God bless you. Sana bago kayo magsalita ng respeto, bigyan nyo ka din kami nun. Peace everyone.
Ayun.
Well,
kasi maraming na-offend eh. Sa tweet nila, maraming nagsabi na, anong pakialam namin sa mansari nyo? Diba? Kasi they tweeted about their mansari in the same breath that they tweeted about
their
breath, quote unquote. They tweeted about the death of
Dolphy.
Of a person, yes.
And Dolphy is someone whom we can relate to.
Yes.
Diba? Lahat tayo, kumbaga feeling natin, kamag-anak natin si Dolphy. At nalungkot tayo. Sobrang nalungkot ako. Ikaw?
Yeah, of course, yes.
Did you cry?
Hindi naman ako naiyak. But of course, it's a great loss for a nation that was entertained by decades of Dolphy's craft and artistry. So, yung kay Jamich, parang na-offend yung mga tao dahil parang nakita nila, papansin naman tong mag-boyfriend na to. Diba? Makikiramay lang or magko-condole lang. Binanggit pa yung mansari nila. So, yun ang sinasabi ng mga Jamich haters.
Yes.
May haters sila. One sign na sikat ka na.
May hater ka.
Pag may haters ka. Diba?
Ayan, so,
may haters ka ba?
Ako? How would I know?
Gusto mo magkaroon?
They wouldn't show. Gumaganon. They wouldn't show. Hindi, joke lang po. Ayan. So, sa nakita natin ngayon, maraming nagre-react no, sa mga social media. At kung gaano kalaya ang Jamich na magpahayag ng kanilang saloobin, malaya rin naman ang mga taong magbigay ng kanilang reaksyon.
Tungkol sa saloobin nila Jamich.
Sa saloobin nila Jamich. Ano nga ba masasabi ng watch tayo dito?
Well, wala.
Malaya naman tayo magpahayag ng saloobin natin.
Marami na inis sa kanila dahil nga sa mga sinabi nila. Pero, this is a free country. This is a democracy. People can say what they want to say, pero tandaan natin, freedom is not absolute. Diba? The moment your freedom becomes a detriment to other people, or the moment your freedom causes harm to other people, then your freedom must be curtailed in one way or another. Kailangan mabawasan yung degree ng pag-exercise mo ng freedom mo. So, si Jamich, relatively, sina Jamich, relatively kilala na sila eh. Sikat na sila ng maraming tao. Although ako, personally, I've never heard of them until nangyari tong Dolphy issue na to.
Same here.
Yeah. Pero relatively, sikat sila. A lot of people know them. So they should be extra careful about their tweets. They should get used to it. That people will be criticizing them or people will be giving opinions about their opinions. And so they should be extra careful about the way they say the things that they say. Although personally, sa nakikita ko, wala namang masama sa tweet nila. Wala namang masama eh. I mean, kasabay ng Mansari namin eh. Nag-gets ko yung nag-gets ko yung
where she's coming from.
Yeah, where they are coming from.
She's pala, dalawa sila.
He and she, where they are coming from. Nag-gets ko na Mansari nila, tas parang it's just sad that it's supposed to be a day of celebration, but now it has turned into a day of gloom or sadness because of the passing of the King of Comedy. That's just what I wanted to say, but you know, not all people will interpret the things that you say the way you would want your words to be interpreted. And that's unfortunate for them. Tuloy yung mga haters nila nag-react. And not yung iba nga daw fans parang
may threat.
Parang nagulat din yung ibang fans. Ayun. So, yun yung para kaila Jamich. They are now public figures. They should be more responsible. Now, para naman sa mga haters,
yes.
I think that this world will be better if haters would be gone. Kahit anong klase ng haters, di ba?
Hater ni Justin Bieber, hater ni Jade, hater ko. Meron talaga.
Feeling natin may haters tayo. Sana magka-haters tayo.
Oy, ano ka ba?
Para may fans din tayo.
Ayoko gagawing dart yung
dartboard yung mukha natin, di ba? So, sa mga haters, pwede ba tumigil kayo? This world will be a better place kung wala sanang haters. I mean, I'm not a Jamich fan. I don't love them in the same intensity that other fans love them. And haters, do something more worthwhile, di ba? Why spend your time, your precious time, putting up a Facebook account against people? Yes. Di ba? Why would you spend your precious time making baboy the pictures of other people? Di ba? Yung mga ganong klase na bagay, maninira ka ng ibang tao, magsasabi ka ng masama sa ibang tao. Haters be gone, please.
Yes. And yung simplicity ng sinabi ng Lord sa word niya, the love one another.
Yes.
Napakadali nitong exercise kung kamag-anak mo yung mamahalin mo, ka-churchmate mo yung mamahalin mo, mamahalin mo yung mga taong may binibigay na mabuti sa'yo.
User-friendly ka, di ba?
Yes. Napakadaling gawin nun. Pero, ang pinakamagandang test nun, matuto tayong mahalin yung mga tao na wala naman talagang
dulot sa buhay
natin. Good. Na wala naman talagang benepisyong binibigay sa atin. So, with the kinds of Jamich, of Justin Bieber perhaps, at yung mga alam natin na hinihate ng mga tao, kung sila ay bibigyan natin ng practice, no? Mas maganda, mahalin natin sila sa paraan na hindi natin sila kailangan i-bash. Hindi rin natin sila kailangan laitin. Hindi rin natin sila kailangan na babuyin or bigyan ng mga bagay na hindi maganda. Sabihan ng mga bagay na hindi maganda. So the real test of love here is doing it even to the most unlovable and even to the person that you don't know. And treating them with love is not treating them with hostility. Ganun din naman, kung gusto naman natin na bigyan sila ng aral, siguro not in public. Send them a message.
Yeah, I want to go to that point, no?
Send them a message. I think that was insensitive. But if hello, Jamich, I think that was a little insensitive. But if you don't mean anything about it, then it's okay. Siguro ako yung masyadong sensitive. Pero hindi mo yun aaminin, di ba? Hindi mo yun aaminin. Pero at least if you want to let them know about this,
say it in a nice way.
Yes.
Diba? Alam mo, that's one thing na ayoko sa usapan sa internet eh.
Yes.
It can easily degenerate.
Even in text.
Yeah, kahit sa text, it can easily degenerate into a conversation that is filled with hate. Diba? So, say it in a nice way. Kapag nagpunta ka sa YouTube ngayon, ang daming mga nagko-comment na kung mag-comment kala mo kung sino sila, nagmumura, saying bad things against people. I think that there's too much democracy on the internet. And dahil walang nag-regulate or kung may regulation man, mahina yung mechanism to regulate. There's too much democracy on the internet. And we must do our part to not add up to those kinds of negativities that are being thrown around on the internet. And personally, I have maraming bagay about Jamich that I object to.
Not only particular tweet.
Yeah, well, yung sa tweet nila, I don't necessarily object to it. Pero I've seen some of their videos, and for me, there are objectionable contents dun sa ilang mga videos nila. For example, dun sa By Chance na video nila, may scene dun, mag-boyfriend-girlfriend pa lang sila, nasa kama sila, and then I think they were...
Who is sick?
Walang may sakit. Nanonood lang silang TV. So yun, tas nakikiss sila. So these are levels of intimacy which are dangerous for people of their age. Pero yun ang pinoportray nila.
Sino nag-shoot niyan?
Sila rin, production, independently produced.
May production team sila?
They independently produce it, and ABS-CBN has got them na rin. Parang kinontract na rin sila ng
iyain ko sana
ABS-CBN.
Mag-volunteer sa MR.
I think may mga clips silang pinapalabas sa Chris TV.
Talaga?
Yeah. Although may mga objectionable materials doon, pero I won't point it out in a way na mumurahin ko sila or sasabihin ko or sisiraan ko sila yung itsura nila, yung character nila. Those kinds of things.
Yes.
Ang positive dun sa By Chance na nakita ko na video nila is pinakita nila dun na superficial ang emotion as a basis of your relationship. So may positive din silang gustong ipakita. Somehow they have that message that they want to proclaim to the world, but somehow the way they say it or yung mensahe mismo, they get lost in a cacophony of elements na wala na sana dapat.
And somehow it would have an effect on their viewers.
Yeah.
Diba?
And some people say that they are Christians, si Jamich daw, and they say God bless you a lot. And parang yung mga haters nila, parang naipokritohan na God bless you daw ng God bless you, but they do this, they do that. Well, if it's true that they're Christians, then maybe us, tayo ng mga brothers and sisters nila in the faith, it is our responsibility to inform them if some things are not right or may mga dapat itama ng konti. And we just hope that they would be receptive to those corrections. Kagaya ng mga nabanggit ko kanina. So, maging mas cautious sana sila. And I hope that they would go to a direction that's more positive, more encouraging, empowering, and inspiring to young people, to their generation, in a way that glorifies God.
And resembles Christ.
Yeah.
Because in the end, we all wanted to be Christ-like, diba?
Yep.
So that has been our review for our
Jamich
item on our watch list.
Yes.